Parrot, so cute you are. You are having contrast color combination, light green and red. Beautiful parrot sitting near our grill. See how he's talking. काय बोलतोय? What you are talking? What you are saying? Parrot? Fly. मिठू मिठू पोपट आहे मोठा चावट, डाळ खातो कच्ची, मला म्हणतो लुच्ची. Hello friends, welcome to Sarikas Art Fundas. Just now we have seen a real parrot sitting on this mango tree. So let us create a parrot craft with contrast color scheme like my sari, light green and red big with mound board and tinted papers. So friends, for creating the flying parrot craft we need mound board, scissor, light green and red tinted paper, Fevicol and a string elastic. First, let us draw a sketch of parrot on mound board. The beak of parrot, stomach of the parrot, and the tail of the parrot. Let us cut this shape of parrot. See, we have created the cutout of the parrot. Let us keep this cutout on the light green color tinted paper and draw the outline of the cutout. Let us remove this cutout and our part 1 is ready of parrot. This is part 1 and this is part 1. Now let us create the tracing of part 2 of the parrot. This is part 2 of the parrot. Let us cut part 1 and part 2 shape with scissor on outlines. Let us apply the Fevicol on the paper of part 1. This part we will be sticking on the part 1 of mound board this way and tap gently. Now let us stick part 2 on the second part of mound board like this. Now let us trace the beak on red tinted paper from both the sides. Both the beaks we have to cut now. Let us stick this part of the beak. The beak is pasted from both the sides. Let us paste a dark green colored tail from both the side of the parrot. Now let us paste these Google eyes from both the sides of the parrot. First apply Fevicol and then stick it. Let it dry from one side and then stick the eye to other side. From both the sides we have stuck this eye, Google eye. Let us give now the realistic look to the parrot with this black color line as parrot is having on his neck. This we can do with brush pen or the sketch pens. Some red touches are also there on his neckline that we are going to create. Let us create a hole on this portion of parrot's body with pencil compass. Now we are going to insert this string elastic on that hole and tie. From here, like this we have tied. For creating the wings, we are going to fold this paper, tinted paper. Let us draw now the shape of flying wings. Cut it on the lines. Both the wings we have cut. In this portion of the wings, we are going to create the holes with pencil compass. We have to cut this string elastic in half. From back side of the wing we are going to put it inside. Create a knot here and pull. Same way to other wing and pull. These wings we are going to stick from both the side on the body of the parrot. We are going to apply the Fevicol in semicircular way, and from the knot portion we are going to stick the wings. Let it dry for 1 hour now. These wings are dried now. Now fold these wings this way from both the sides. Gently. This middle string elastic we have to tie to any rope of our house. See now, our parrot is flying nicely on these strings. If you like my video of this flying parrot, please subscribe my channel, press bell icon and share my video in all your groups. Thank you very much for watching my video.